Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a whiteboard with which you can see your students, what they are doing, how they are writing, how they are drawing. You can track them. So without any delay, let's start today's video. Before that, if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any new upcoming videos. Straight away, let's into the video. Whiteboard is something maybe you are teaching online with your school, or maybe you are a freelancer teacher, you are teaching online, you are giving tuitions. Whiteboard is something which work as a boon for every teacher. So today I'm going to share this whiteboard which has a feature where you can show your board, plus you can see what students are writing in their board. You can track their what all they are doing in their notebook, their online notebook. So let's into this. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to Google, you need to type whiteboard FI. This one you need to choose whiteboard FI. Click here. Now the first option on Google, you need to go here. I'll click here. Okay, so this will open in front of you. Now every time you can just bookmark it with the help of the star here and whiteboard, so that you don't have to search for the link every time. Now you have to go to new class. Here you click new class, you write your name, maybe Suchita. See, I've done before also. And then your mail ID because you're doing first time, and then just create new class. So it's showing creating room, please wait. Okay, so now now what you have to do, you need to click here, you need to go and copy URL clipboard. You copy and you share with your students, and they just need to click on that link and they can join you here. Or you can show the QR code. When you show the QR code on the screen, when you are sharing your screen, so that by clicking through their phone on this QR code, they can join you. So you can use either ways. So I'll click this, and then you need to click here, Toggle my whiteboard. I'll click here. Okay, so now this is the whiteboard in front of you. Now if you go down, you can see students. Okay, now there are no students, so it's not showing. Otherwise these are like square boxes will come here, and you can see this area, this here, 1 2 3 4, all student screens will be visible, and you can see what they are writing. So now I'll come back to the teacher board. These are the options. So this is a marker, you can just write anything, maybe X. So anything which you feel. Here, okay, you want to clear the whole board or you want to clear a part. Okay, now for example, you want to share the notes, whatever you have written here. It will not work good with the mouse, because the handwriting will not come out good. If you are teaching on an advanced level, and now in this corona pandemic situation, we don't know when it's going to end, so you can invest in a good pen tablet. I'm going to make video on that also, what kind of pen tablet and how it works. So you can invest in a good pen tablet, and then you can write normally as a notebook. Okay, you have written everything over here. Now you want to download this notes, whatever you have written. So you can click here and you can download it at PNG, GPG or PDF, whatever you have written here, that will download, and you can further share with your students via WhatsApp or via mail. Now there are many things here. If you want to include a video, there will be sounds here. You can include the sound. If you are a music teacher, you can include a graph. If you are a maths teacher, you can plot a graph here. You can, if your students do the work, you down you can give the emojis, and plus they have symbols also, like you need to write any equation, you can write here, plus any computer teacher, any code and all, you can type and then you can insert here. Okay, let me see, I'll write anything, 1 second. Okay, I'll just insert any, for example this one I have inserted. So can you see here the function and all, this one is inserted, and you can just increase or decrease the size, whatever the availability you like to do. So like this. So these are the equations, graph you can plot and everything. So these are many options. Eraser is there, you can use it as a normal class board if you have a good pen tablet. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, if you like the whiteboard, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.